What if I told you you could fix your entire life in just one day? No, not in a year, not in 6 months, one day. Because sometimes all it takes is a reset, a single day of radical action to break the chaos and reclaim control. If your life feels like a mess right now, you're stuck, you're tired, you're overwhelmed, this video might just be the reboot you've been searching for. Understand the power of a reset day. Most people underestimate what one focused day can do. They wait for the right moment, but life won't fix itself. You have to choose day one, not one day. This isn't about solving everything. It's about getting unstuck fast. A reset day clears the noise, sets intentions, and gets you moving with simple, powerful actions. Let's start simple. Your space. Clean your room, not because it's trendy advice, because it's symbolic. A messy environment leads to a foggy mind. You can't organize your thoughts in chaos. Throw out the trash, fold the laundry, clear the desk, light a candle, open the windows. By cleaning your space, you send your brain a powerful message: I'm taking back control. Next, silence the noise in your head. Take 15 minutes. Put your phone on airplane mode. Sit down. Just breathe. Try this exercise. Write down everything that's bothering you. No filter. Bills, breakups, stress, regret. Dump it all on paper. Then, draw 2 columns. What I can control, what I can't. Circle the things you can control. That's your new to-do list. Let go of the rest. Now it's time to rebuild your day. Ask yourself, what's one habit I can change today that will change everything over time? Pick just 3 anchor habits. Wake up at the same time. Move your body. Reflect for 10 minutes daily. Set alarms, lay out your clothes, remove friction. You don't need a full 30-step morning routine. You need one you'll actually stick to. Build a day that builds you. Your phone is a portal. It can either drain you or empower you. Take 1 hour to do this. Unfollow toxic people. Delete apps you don't use. Turn off 90% of notifications. Rearrange your home screen for calm, not chaos. Bonus tip. Move all social apps into a single folder called Waste of Time. Trust me, it works. Remember, what you consume shapes who you become. You don't need a 5-year plan right now. You need clarity and traction. Write these down. What's one thing I want to learn this month? What's one habit I want to build this week? What's one mess I want to fix today? Keep them visible. Don't just plan. Do. Start now. Imperfect action beats perfect intention. Here's the truth. You don't need to change everything. You need to start acting like the person you want to become. Not tomorrow, not next Monday. Today, ask yourself, what would the future me do today? Would they scroll for hours? Would they snooze that alarm? Or would they get up, clean their room, and take charge? Your new life doesn't start next year. It starts when you do. So here's your challenge. Take just 1 day to reset your life. No excuses, no waiting. Clean your space, clear your mind, reset your habits, detox your phone. Set 3 micro goals. Act like the person you want to be. And if you do this right, you'll wake up tomorrow not with a perfect life, but with momentum. And momentum changes everything. Hit like, share this with someone who needs a reset, and drop a heart in the comments if today is your day 1. And if you're serious about leveling up your life, make sure to subscribe to The Growth Theory for more mindset upgrades.